How you could have big goals in life and stay motivated all the time. Keep yourself on track and move forward with maximum pace. Not letting your ordinary routine life to hurdle your journey anyway to pursue your goals. This could be a turning notion in your life if you pay attention. As achieving your goals need the real freedom of your thoughts and obedience of your actions. And you will not be able to achieve your sketch targets if you don't follow the right formula to do so. In this video we will discuss easy steps. How to achieve those goals, with complete authority on things. Each and every one of us has a burning desire to do something with our life, be successful and be at peace. With every individual, the drive or the intent varies. But everyone wants to be a winner in this game we call life. Knowing our passion, having knowledge of what motivates us, what detracts us, is what makes all the difference in achieving our big one. Financial or spiritual riches await those who have worked out these key factors. It's like making the right investment in the right stock that helps us break through when you follow your passion. Yet for most, just knowing your passion does not equate achieving your goals. Just because you're familiar with the theory doesn't mean it will be an effortless execution. It requires energy and consistent practice to align yourself with it. Old school thinking described passion something to search from deep oceans of your conscious awareness. But what if it is the unpleasant, or the undesirable, that leads us to our life's purpose? After all, most tasks are unpleasant and frankly boring. But when we get to something not boring and constructive, could take us to our real passion. As we are not born to just be alive. Rather to have a feeling that let us have all the fulfillment and joy of our life. A displeasure is a good contrast to experience so that we may fully appreciate pleasure when it turns up. So when you are in the process of searching for peace in your work, motivation is what you need to get you through. Motivation may appear to be a superpower, only available to the super successful, the winners, the stars. But getting and staying motivated is just like learning any other skill. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel Own Yourself. Today we are going to learn about 7 things that keep you motivated towards your life goals and master plan. Now let's begin. Number 1. Inspiration versus payout. You need a spark to start a fire, but sometimes that tiny spark is not enough. You get inspired to take on things but eventually leave unfinished. So how to tackle that? A great starting point must be augmented by envisioning what the end product would look like. Understanding the benefits of doing something that brings more progress into your life is the key starting point. Without this understanding, the fire of our inspiration would not have enough fuel to keep burning on. Number 2. Brainstorming the process. There's a famous quote. An idiot with a plan will always win over an intelligent man without. Therefore, plan the process. Highlight all constants and variables in your mind and notice problem areas to avoid to strengthen yourself to play upon. Then turn these ideas into actionable steps. Planning is always better than daydreaming and building castles in the air. That way, your idea can take the form of a blueprint that you can use as a map. Don't ever let your actions be thoughtless or unplanned. Number 3. Break up the work. You can't eat the entire steak in one go. So you carve it up into manageable chunks. So divide your work into small pieces. It will help you create focused thinking rather than always having a big lump. Completing minor tasks will also reward you with bursts of dopamine, acting as tiny yet significant fuel injections. Number 4. Get out of your comfort zone. We've all heard it, nothing grows in the comfort zone. Therefore, you need to break your daily routine pattern and step out of the comfort zone, try out new things. If you don't get out of your comfort zone and break your daily rituals, you cannot escape the loop you're stuck in. How can we expect new results from old habits and behaviors? Number 5. The farmer approach. As a farmer prepare his land and then go through all the stages of germination of seeds, to grow them with water and fertilizer, then cut that crop and sell that in market to have the cash. It all takes patience. As he can't dig up seeds he planted to see how they're doing. All he can do is wait, and hope to have the results. So being a farmer is all about patience. But waiting patiently is an art. And a farmer knows that art well. In the world of instant gratification and short-term, short-lived rewards, we really could learn from the farmer how to patiently wait to see the results of our efforts. Number 6. Keep inside chatter controlled. Doubts, fears, insecurities are the unavoidable company we keep inside our heads. While these can be used to warn us of what could go wrong, giving in to the voice of despair is what makes people quit halfway. Take a kind approach. Keep talking to yourself in a realistic and kind manner, as a kindly teacher, mentor, or well-wisher would. Remind yourself why you started and what is at stake. Train your inner voice to be on your side. Don't let a gap of inactivity come between your inner voice and your drive to excel. Number 7. Learn to defend your positivity. Staying positive is the ultimate key to success, but keeping your positive thoughts and attitude intact and safe from infinite negative distractions and confusing vibes is more important. To keep your positivity and optimism alive, you need to defend it from negativity at all costs. It's like showering regularly. Because in daily routine life, as our body get grimy and need to be cleansed of dirt and grime, thoughts need to be purified in the same way. You need to be more positive than the negativity and fear inside your head. You need to raise the voice of your positive thoughts to drown out the doubts. Only then can you stay motivated and remain on the path that will eventually, hopefully, lead you to your ultimate goal of life.